Hello. In this lesson we will be looking at the account view of the Patron Status work form. You can open this work form in one of two ways, either by clicking on the icon on the shortcut bar, or by clicking on Circulation and selecting Patron Status. This brings up the Patron Records Find tool. Search for the patron by last name to bring up the Patron Status work form. In the sidebar of the work form, click on the third button down, the Accounts View button. In the Accounts View, you will be able to see the details of any fines or fees that the patron owes. With the buttons on the middle toolbar, you will also be able to perform a number of functions relating to the patron's account. At the bottom of the window, you will be able to see the patron's total balance at a glance.